Okay, so let's have a look at the structure of the learning outcomes that have been written for this guide in a little bit more detail. We'll start with this one here. So what is it that the students are being asked to do, or what is it that you're being asked to do? On completion of the session, you should be able to write well-structured learning outcomes. In what context is that? Well, in the units that you teach. And how well will you be able to do it? Well, we're hoping that you'll be able to do it well enough to communicate to your students what they're expected to be able to do and achieve. Let's move on to the second learning outcome here. What are we expecting of you? Well, we're expecting you to be able to align teaching, learning and assessment activities with your learning outcomes. Again, in the context of your unit. When I started to look at this, I realised that there was a bit missing from this particular learning outcome, and that can be amended by adding to ensure that all the learning outcomes are assessed. So hopefully what we've got there now is a full learning outcome that includes what you'll do, in what context, and how well you'll do it. The final learning outcome here. What are you being asked to do? You're being asked to revise your current learning outcomes and assessment practice. The context is in the units across all of your programs, and how well will you do that to meet the requirements set out for the new credit structures as prescribed by Equal. So hopefully what you've seen there is that we have well-structured learning outcomes that have three particular elements: what will be done, in what context, and how well it will be done, and that I hope makes it clear to you what you will be able to achieve as a result of working your way through this guide and the learning that's associated with it.